All right, collective message. Planetary leaders, if you resonate with that. So what we're seeing here, of course, the very first energy I got was the Merkaba card. And so we're going to discuss a little bit about what's going on energetically and with people's light bodies, whether you're doing this work consciously or not right now. Essentially what happens is the higher frequency your light body becomes, your energy field, the more complex it becomes, meaning moving from the potentiality, the 6-point potentiality into the 8, 12, beyond into 144, eventually the diamond sun. The more your soul and spiritual truth can actually be seen, lived, and experienced, okay? Authenticity is about your soul's truth, okay? We hear this all the time in spiritual communities. Authenticity is the most high frequency, and that's because if you're truly authentic, you're living from your soul self, okay? Without distortions, okay? It is not about expression or creativity. I mean, all your soul can come through all of that. But what it really gets down to, the core of it, the root of it, is you're living purely from your divine essence, okay? That's true authenticity, okay? So that's coming through. So as you move on this path and your light body evolves and activates, you will go through these karmic clearings, okay? I was actually reviewing this past year for myself and realized how powerful the year was, because I was going through advanced light body activations and all of the tiny, tiny, tiny distortions in my field and my consciousness and my subconscious mind were getting literally squeezed out of the field because I couldn't carry them anymore. Okay, and so that's what happens. Every time you elevate, you move to a higher frequency, a more powerful light body, the distortions have to leave. Like there's no space for them. And you continue doing that. So your ascension and your evolution is directly connected to how much healing work you're doing, okay? You can't carry those distortions, and that's what's coming through. So there's, many of you guys are going through finalizing a cycle of where you did a lot of intense healing, okay? So that's what we're seeing now. A lot of intense healing. And right now what's being asked of you guys is to walk this next phase cautiously, and not in fear. It's about energetic caution. So you're not bringing in things that could disrupt your field or your light body or your energy. You're not creating chaos where none exists. You're watching subconscious threads and energies and making sure you're not engaging with them. You're allowing things that need to be cleared and not re-looping into them, okay? It's the end of the year. That's what everyone should be doing anyways. We're seeing it very clearly here. It's the end of a cycle, end of a year. Some of you guys, it's the closing of a huge karmic cycle. The Saturn retrograde was huge for a lot of people. It depends on your your frequency and your harmonic. Some of you guys are getting energies literally squeezed out of your field. This is a compression phase, or you did that last year. Saturn retrograde, if your advanced light body is really, really high frequency, that would do most of the work for you, but that subconscious energy was allowed to come up more easily for a lot of people, okay? So we're seeing that here. It is closing of the cycle, but you are being asked to still tread lightly until things settle, and decrease the energies you're around so that you can really discern your energy from others, okay? There is energy from the more boundaries and the stronger boundaries you set now, the freer you will become in the new year. So I didn't see this as a new year message. It was just one for today, but it's kind of coming out that way. And big picture is boundaries are really, really important on this path. Okay. Advanced light body physics, ascension. If you do not have good boundaries, it is going to be a complete disaster for you, because everyone will weave into your field. Okay. If everyone's energy is woven within your field, there is no telling who or what is dominating your decisions and your reality. Okay, it's very important, and this is a path to sovereignty, is the advanced light body activations, because then you're standing in the sovereign presence of pure source energy. No one else is influencing you, no subconscious thoughts, no traumas, no distortions, nothing. You are standing pure and aligned with your divine self, okay, and the divine in essence. And that's what we're looking at. So in the new year, if you are working on the ascension path and you're working towards advanced light body physics, advanced light body activations, boundaries are key. Start implementing those now. And it doesn't mean you have to be mean or harsh or cut people out. Eventually, you may have to do that temporarily until you establish boundaries. You don't just cut people out and I lost my train of thought. You don't cut people out to control the environment, like what you experience. You cut people out to understand how they're actually gaining access to your field. It's not for ego. It's not to prove a point. It's not to punish them. It's so that you can tell what is entering your field, influencing your energy, your thoughts, your emotions, your actions. And then once you figure out how that dynamic works and you set proper boundaries, then you can bring them in again, okay? It's not about punishing other people or, making changes forever. It's so that you understand yourself better. And once you understand yourself better, then you can go back in the world and engage with people in the same way, but it doesn't influence you anymore because you've set the boundaries with your field. Okay, you know where those exist. And this is really, really prominent with higher frequency fields where you know your energy really well. You can go into environments and completely merge with them because you're living from the space of unity. So you can merge with anyone, anywhere, just through your consciousness. You don't even have to go into a place, okay? But to know that you're not carrying that energy back, you have to know your field, in and out. Okay, so you can go into an environment, merge with the field, the people, the situations, in some capacity, and then be able to leave and not have any threads, any energy coming into your field, no distortions, no new structures, no new belief systems, no new subconscious threads. You leave completely sovereign. Okay, that is the energy mastery. Okay, energy mastery is pure sovereignty. Okay, so that's what we're seeing here. And the energy mastery is the liberation. Okay, boundaries with a field is liberation. It doesn't seem like it because you're strict. You have to walk this fine path. You have to decrease what you're doing. Doesn't feel like liberation. Once you master it, it's liberation. Okay, so that's the message. Some of you guys are going through this clearing process. Just know that's what it's for. Okay, it's to help you step into sovereignty. It can be hard. Okay, but keep going. Okay, it is the end of the cycle, and once you finish this cycle up, it'll get easier. Okay, you can remerge, reblend with those energies, people, and situations. Okay, I think that's it. Sending love.